Hello, teachers. This is Teacher Seti again. Are you still looking for a job? Well, this job, actually, I found this on a Facebook group, and don't worry, I'm not connected with the company. So, if you're interested, they pay $500 to $1,200 per month. Okay, you're no boss. Okay, flexible time, no voice or video calls. Okay, no heavy PC requirements. So if you're interested, please watch this video until the end. Thank you so much. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Teacher Seti. So for today guys, this post I just saw online, as I said, one of the Facebook group. So the name of the company, guys, I will just go straight to the company. But before that, I will not forget my disclaimer. So disclaimer, I am not promoting any company. I am just here helping teachers to have a higher paying salary. All right. So it's Course Hero. It's a part-time text-based tutor. All right. No boss, flexible time, work from anywhere, no voice or video calls, no heavy PC requirements. Right, I'll just zoom in so that you will be able to see, guys. Oops. All right, okay. All right, that's it. And then what else? Okay, so I will just scroll up. All right, so our most active tutors earn anywhere from $500 to $1,200 per month. Build your resume with tutoring experience on Course Hero. Earn supplemental income while pursuing your degree or career. Tutor when you want around your class work schedule. Develop your uh, pedagogical skills helping students around the world. All right. So this is the link, guys. Maybe later, I'll post this link on the description box below so that you can apply using their link. Okay. And what else? All right. And so to it's a step-by-step process. All right. So number one is you need to prepare the following: educators and graduates, your diploma, and a valid ID. For college level students, you just need to include your current grade report, a card, and your school ID. Okay. And then you need to take a clear picture of the requirements. Requirements must be in line with the subjects you will select to tutor. Also, make sure that it has your complete name and make sure that it's a name and school name. Okay? Please include dry seal if possible and do not crop out pictures. Okay? Next is you need to go to the link, fill up the form. All right. Don't worry again. As I said, I will just include this link on the description box below. All right. So number four, step four is the referral code. This is the referral code. I don't know who posted this, but yeah, this is the referral code. Use NOC as referral code so that they can track your application, more chances of getting approved. Maybe I will just include the Facebook profile of the person, okay, who posted this. so that you can also send him or her a message. Okay, guys? And then now step 5 is you need to select subjects, right? Subjects, you can check up to 9 categories, but make sure it suits your course or profession, okay? Check all applicable categories since you won't be able to change them once approved, okay? And then number 6 is you need to always check your email. So please wait for your confirmation of your account. It will take up to 3 to 5 days. So after you get accepted, email or contact them again so that they can send you a tutor kit. Okay? Then what else? So if you have any questions, oh, this is their email, guys. They provided their email here, and also they provided their cell phone number too. So as I said, again, I will just post this later, all right? I will post this later. All right, I think that's about it, guys. So I think for newbie teachers or undergrad teachers, this is a very nice job, and most especially newbie teachers because it's only a text-based tutor. So no need for video calls, and just type in your on the chat box your correction to the student, and that's it, guys. So it's a very nice platform. I don't know if it's a platform they have or it's a company, but it's a very nice job, I guess. So that's it. So if you're new on my channel, guys, please click on that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell. So anytime I upload a video, you will get notified. And if you have any comments or suggestion or any feedback you may have, feel free to comment down below anything you want, guys. And thank you so much. I have reached about 2,500 subscribers now, halfway to my 5K subscribers, road to 5K. And I'm so excited, really. So again, teachers, thank you so much for watching this vlog. And have a nice day wherever you are. God bless us all. Goodbye.